Hello everyone, hi, welcome to Journal Treasures. My name is Galit, and today we are doing another 10-minute collage challenge, and I think this is our 6th and challenge, and I think this one will be our last. And well, if it's open on this one, we have our Independence Day in a week and a half, I think, so it's gonna be nice. And I have this print, which I thought of adding it to my wall, but I think I will add it here because I really like it, and I love, this is my favorite painter, so I will just add it right now. Let's start. So I'm just going to add this print. And now I'm gonna fold it back again. I have this leftover napkin, and I'm really thinking of adding it here because I haven't done any mixed media in my 10-minute challenge. And yes, it will need to dry out, so we'll see how it goes. Okay. I have my Mod Podge here. And a brush. And let's see how it goes. Oops, I ducked my entire brush. Okay, and now let's add and I do want it to be wrinkled, so that is why I'm doing this. I'm loving the wrinkles. Okay. I'm just closing the Mod Podge because, as you see, I'm already covered. And I don't want it to be flat, so that is why I'm not adding too much. Good. and I will try to quickly dry it out. Okay, it's mostly dried out, so I will cut here all the excess away. Okay. Okay. So I will just fold it back. And I'm folding this cute little thing. Ah, it's still wet. Yes, and I'm going to put something here to pull it out. And I have this, but I'm gonna cut it. And I'm using the vintage photo just to distress it. And I'm gonna put it like that here. We're gonna put this. Okay. No. I'm almost out of time. That's okay. Yeah. 10 minutes is up. I am going to continue. I'm adding this and this cute little image. Okay. And I just wrote Happy Independence Day 2023. I wrote it in Hebrew. I love this. I really, really love this. And let's see. I'm searching from my box. So this is my cutout box, some of it. And I want to see. I love this. Too bad I will have to cut it. What if I'm putting a pinkish butterfly? Yeah, I think that's better. Okay. Alright, I think that is what I'm gonna do. Yes. Good. And now I'm adding this cute butterfly. And I want to add it on here. And now this beautiful bird. I'm just cutting the border because I really don't like it. I think I will cut this. It's a shame, but yeah, I don't have any choice. I love how this came out, and I want to search for something more. And let's see, maybe this beautiful little tag. And I think I will add this tag here. And I have this cute ephemera that I've made, and I am thinking of stapling it. Maybe somewhere like that, so you can see that. Okay, here I have different sentiments. So I just pulled out a few sentiments. I put already glue and I didn't cut it normally. That's okay. I love these two sentiments. I really want to add them. And think I will add it like that here. And I'm not going to distress it. I want it to be very, very visible. And I'm going to cut this area. I'm going to distress that. Okay. And this I'm going to distress very, very lightly. So I really, really love how this turned out. It is so, so cute. I did fail the 10-minute challenge, but I still love how this turned out. For now at least, this is the last 10-minute challenge. But this was so much fun to do, and I really, really enjoyed this. And it's not full yet, but I will slowly fill it up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this cute little spread, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.
Mm-hmm.